Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on the application of REDnote. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will scrolling down until you find this application of REDnote and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.